Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this cute little duck. For this, we are using 2 colors of yarn, crochet hook, cutter and a needle. This duck looks so cute and beautiful and it is very easy to do. It is a beginner friendly project. To do this beautiful duck, we want to know the basic stitches like slip knot, chain, single crochet and double crochet. First we will make a cylinder piece, then we will fold them to form like this beautiful duck. Next we will do the beak, leg and the tail. So now let's see how to do this beautiful duck. To do this cute little duck, you are going to start with a magic circle. Chain 1. This is the magic circle. Next you are going to work inside this magic circle. You are going to do 6 single crochet inside the circle. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as single crochet. Likewise, you are going to do 5 more single crochet inside the circle. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. You can pull this tail yarn to adjust the size of the circle. After completing them, it looks like this. Next, you can pull this tail yarn to close the circle. You are going to work in rounds. We are not going to complete using slip stitch. So for next round, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch. So you can place the stitch marker in this first single crochet. Next stitch single crochet. Likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach the last stitch. At the end of this round, you will be having 6 single crochet stitches. After doing them, it looks like this. For next round, remove the stitch marker. Do 1 single crochet on that stitch. Place a stitch marker on that single crochet. Next stitch single crochet. Next stitch single crochet. Likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach the stitch marker. So this is the pattern you are going to follow for this project, is that you are going to do single crochet in each stitch for 6 stitches. You are going to work in rounds. You are going to do this for 54 rounds. In each round, you will be having 6 single crochet stitches. So let's see how it looks after completing them. So after doing them, it looks like this. Next, you can close this hole by taking the front loop of each stitch and pull. So after joining the hole, it looks like this. Next, we'll see how to fold it to form like a beautiful duck. You will use hot glue to join them. So fold it like this one time. Next, one time. So this will be the head part. You can use hot glue to join them. So after joining, it looks like this. Next we'll do the body part. So this part we'll fold it once and twice and then we will join them like this. So this is the head and the body part of the duck. Next we'll do the mouth and the leg part. To do the mouth, you are going to start with a magic circle. Chain 1. Do 4 single crochet inside the circle. 2, 3, 4. After doing them, it looks like this. You can pull the yarn to close the circle. So for next round, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch. So you are not going to finish it off using slip stitch. Instead, you are going to work in rounds. You are going to do single crochet in each stitch for 4 stitches. The mouth part looks like this. You can finish it off using a slip stitch in this first single crochet. Chain 1 and snip off this yarn. So now we are ready with the mouth part. Next we are going to do the leg part. For the leg, you are going to start with a slip knot. You are going to do 4 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next you are going to work in the second chain from the hook. You are going to do 3 single crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. Next chain 2. You are going to work in the second chain from the hook. You are going to do 3 single crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. Next, you are going to do a slip stitch here. And in the next stitch, you are going to do 1 single crochet. The next stitch 1 single crochet. Next chain 1 and snip of this yarn. So now we are ready with the leg. After joining them, the duck looks like this. Next we are going to do the tail for this duck. Insert here, take the yarn, pull through, chain one, do a single crochet. Next you are going to do a double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through. First 2 loops, you'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through. Next 2 loops. This is what we say it is double crochet. Next chain 2, 1, 2, and you're going to make a picot stitch. Next you're going to do one double crochet in the same stitch and a single crochet. Next do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. After doing the tail part, the duck looks like this. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.